Let's talk learning through play, making education fun for preschoolers. Hey there, mamas. Welcome back to the Preschool Learning Blueprint, where we take the stress out of early learning and turn it into fun, meaningful moments. I'm Karina, and today we're diving into a big question. How do we make learning fun for our little ones? Because let's be honest, if it's boring, they're not paying attention. But don't worry, I've got you covered with easy, engaging ways to teach through play. Let's get started. So, why play-based learning works? Did you know that kids learn best through play? It's true. Research shows that when children play, they're actually building critical thinking skills, problem-solving abilities, and even social-emotional intelligence without even realizing it. Think about it. When kids stack blocks, they're learning about balance and gravity. When they play pretend, they're developing creativity and language skills. Play isn't just fun, it's how their brains make sense of the world. So instead of fighting against their natural energy, let's use it. Here's how you can make learning feel like play every day. Here are 5 easy ways to teach through play. Number 1, pretend play. Create dramatic play corner. Set up a simple pretend play station, a grocery store, doctor's office, or restaurant. Give them a toy cash register or a notepad and let them take your order. Through this, they're learning numbers, communication, and even problem solving. Number 2, learning with toys. They already love. You don't need fancy teaching tools. If your child loves cars, use them to count, sort by color, or create a race to the highest number. If they love dolls, practice emotions by acting out feelings and responses. Number 3, music and movement. Kids love to move, so why not make learning physical? Sing counting songs, do an ABC dance party, or hopscotch your way through spelling words. Movement helps reinforce memory. Number 4, sensory play, hands-on learning. Sensory bins, Play-Doh, water play, these all help with fine motor skills and make learning more engaging. You can even sneak in letter recognition by hiding letters in rice and having them find and match them. Check out my video on how to create your child's very own sensory bin. And number 5, outdoor learning adventures. Take learning outside. Nature walks can turn into scavenger hunts for colors, shapes, or even letters in street signs. The best learning moments happen when kids don't even realize they're learning at all. Let's talk common mistakes parents make and how to fix them. Now, I know some moms worry, what if my child isn't interested? Or how do I know they're actually learning? Here are 3 common mistakes and easy fixes. Mistake number 1, focusing too much on traditional lessons too soon. My solution is to let kids explore. They don't always need structured lessons, just opportunities to engage with the world around them. Mistake number 2, thinking play isn't real learning. My solution is to remember, play is learning. The more engaged they are, the more they retain. And mistake number 3, feeling like you need to do it all. The solution is to keep it simple. A few minutes of intentional play each day is enough to make a big impact. Here's some encouragement. At the end of the day, Mama, the best way to teach your child is to meet them where they are. Every silly song, every pretend game, every messy craft, it's all helping them grow. So don't stress about doing it right. If your child is smiling and engaged, you're already winning. In the next episode, we're going to tackle another big topic: building a daily learning routine that actually works. I'll walk you through simple ways to fit learning into your busy schedule without overwhelming yourself or your child. If you found this episode helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with another mom who needs it. And grab my free welcome packet filled with fun learning activities in the description below. Until next time, keep loving, keep learning.